Welcome to another episode of Josh of All Trades. And in this episode, I will be recapping what happened sa 2024 ko using pictures. So I will flash some of the pictures that I got this year and then I'll tell some story about each one of them. I will start with this picture. This is January 1 of 2024 and I was with my high school friends, with my senior high school friends. So si John, si Emily, si Charlie, and then si Tonette. And this happened after naming kumain noong New Year kala Ma'am Chua. Ma'am Chua is our grade 12 advisor. She is already in North Dakota, pero noong time na to, sabi niya, punta kayo ng bahay kasi maraming pagkain. So ayun, pinaghanda kami ng mama niya kahit wala siya doon. We really appreciate Ma'am Shua. I'm shooting this December 26. So, ngayong year-end, magkikita-kita kami kasi nasa Philippines si Ma'am Shua. So, ayun yung parang ganap namin ngayon. Kaya rin ako uwi ng Pangasinan. The next one is this one. This are my friends na si Aljon at si Mika. Naging close lang kami moments bago gumraduate si Aljon. Ayan, so si Aljon at si Mika, sila yung lagi kong kasama dati na naglalakad sa campus. Yeah, ito, nag-ano lang kami, like catch up lang for a whole day. So actually, feeling ko from lunch hanggang gabi kami neto kasi naalala ko nag-inuman pa kami sa Cubao Expo bago ako umuwi. So medyo tipsy ako umuwi ng LB ng time na yon. So I really appreciate Aljon and Mika kasi even though wala kami as in super duper like conversation, like chat na sobrang daily or what. Ano yun, we are still close. So here's another favorite picture ko last year, which is si Patricia at si Jamie. So si Pat at si Jamie, we were classmates for I think, half of our college life since second year. Dire-diretso na kami na magkaklase kami second year, first sem. And ito, binisita lang namin si Patricia sa Venice kasi doon siya nag-work as the senior landscape horticulturist ng Venice and yung mga katabi pa niyang establishments. So, ayan. Pumunta kami dito kasi nagki-crave daw si Patricia ng DQ. Kaya, yan. So here's another favorite picture of mine. This was the time na na-hire si Ate Camille as a faculty member na sa SEM. And konting background lang sa kanila, naging magkakaklase lang kami ng mga to. Si Kuya Zeke, si Ate Yana, si Ate Jessa, at si Ate Camille for a mid-year. Kaklase ko sila sa MGT 203. And then during, I don't know, tapos naging close lang ako sa kanila like super late na parang last day of class na. Tapos, ayan, we celebrated Ate Camille's win. We know na ayun yung gustong-gusto talaga niyang gawin. And at the same time, binigyan nila ako ng birthday cake. Ayan, kasi birthday ko ng January. So, binigyan ko din sila kasi I usually give gifts during, I don't know, Christmas or New Year. So the next picture is this. This is my look when I had my thesis outline defense. I seldom use this coat kasi masyado siya makapal. Hindi siya okay sa klima ng LB. I just wore this um, in my presentations, such as this, as well as nung nanood ako ng Hamilton. So, sinuot ko rin ito doon. At niloloko ako ni Patricia na mukha daw akong doktor. Well, ayun na naman. So, luckily during that time, na-approve naman yung mga ganap sa thesis, etc. So, this is another photo that I really love, which is somehow nag-aya lang yung sa office na mag-samgyup. Nag-aya lang sila sa office na mag-samgyup. And then, little did I know na meron silang cake then for my birthday. So, this is already January 18. Tapos, ayun, celebrate pa rin yung birthday ko. January 6 ako. I really love this picture kasi nakakatuwa, naka-work tong mga to. Although hindi naman kami as in talagang workmates na workmates, pero nakiki-office lang ako sa kanila noong time na yun. Pero I felt like for the past 2 years, the PHDRC family has become my home. And yun, nakakatawa sila kasi most of them then ay mga Gen Z na rin, ganyan. Or mga millennials. So magkaka-vibes talaga kami doon. Ito naman yung picture ko noong Nag-oath taking kami as registered or licensed agriculturist. So this is a cute photo. So thank you kay Jazz. Kasi siya yung ng picture na to. Tapos yung flowers na yan, nasa stage lang yan. Tapos kinuha-kuha na lang namin. Nakakatawa nga kasi kasama namin yung mama ni Jazz. Napaka-supportive. Tapos parang sabi niya, anak, sige, kunin mo na yan. Kunin niya na yan. Siya yung nagsabi sa amin na, kunin niya na yan. Game na. Kinukuha nga rin nila. Well, ang dami talaga kumuha ng mga flowers sa stage. So, I feel like umalis kami doon, nakalbo na yung stage. This is my picture during Alam 2024. Event siya ng UP Isabela Society, and during this time, in-invite nila kami. And sabi ko, sige, pupunta ako doon personally. I'm with my friend Enrico during this time. Tapos, ayun, I talked about agriculture. I'm really passionate about sharing what agriculture is, and I felt like this is the right audience for it. So, kasi mga high school students yung mga nandito. So, ayun. I really grabbed the opportunity and I enjoyed my stay in Isabela. Then let's go to February. This was the time when I started doing my master's thesis, and then some of my former students offered to help. And nakakatuwa kasi magtotropa tong mga to. So si AJ, si IC, si Jude, tapos kasama niya yung girlfriend niya, na si Julfa, then si JY, then si Jewel. So they are from one class nung Agri 32. Last year actually, 2023 ko sila naging estudyante. Then is si Gab andyan din. Si Gab, one of my first students sa university. So I really love this photo kasi natutuwa ako kasi talagang tumulong sila for my thesis. And then kahit na we stayed there until 9 p.m. Like 9 p.m. And I really appreciate them for doing that. I really love them. So this is the next photo. These are some of my friends from XEM. And ito yung birthday ni Kuya Zeke. And it was a surprise, I guess. Surprise ba to sa kanya or alam na niya? Alam na niya yata to. But, I don't know. Nakalimutan ka na. Tapos nakakatuwa lang to be with them. And to be included sa mga ganap nila. Kasi, ayun din. Wala rin akong, as in, kasi ako yung pinakabata sa MS namin and wala akong batchmate talaga noong pumasok ako ng MS. Like, all of them I think are mas matanda na. So, mahirap maghanap ng kasama sa MS considering na mas bata ako. So, wala akong masyadong ka-age bracket. Actually, sila, they are older than me ng onti lang naman, I feel like. Actually, nakalagay pala 2 decades and 8. 20, magta-25 pa lang ako. So, mga ganun yung agwat namin ng age. Pero, ayan, I really appreciate my friends from SEM kasi sa dami ng mga ganap nila, sinasama nila ako. I'm really happy for that. So, the next photo that I really love is this one. So, this was taken 12:43 a.m. Sinamahan ako ni Gab tsaka ni Edre na mag-overtime for an experiment of mine. So, nag-experiment ako, tapos, ayun, as in, sobrang appreciate ko ng dalawang to noon. Kasi, even, well, wala rin kasing ilaw doon. Kaya rin siguro nag-stay na sila. Pero yeah, I really appreciate this too. Lalo na tumutulong din sila sa mismong experiment. Kasi for example, kunwari, kukuha lang ng mga test tubes, etc. Like, anong gagawin, Arvin? Ganon sila. So, I really appreciate this too. And this is a memorable night kasi ayun yung isa sa mga pinaka-late naming uwi from the laboratory. So, this is my good friend, Mayen. Si Mayen, magkakilala kami dati sa church. Tapos, nakakatuwa si Mayen kasi we really became close friends during this time. Kaya, 1 a.m. din to. So, 1 a.m. Nasa BGC pa kami neto. Si Mayan, sa BGC kasi talaga siya nag-work. And ako, uwi lang naman ako ng Tondo noong time na to. Tapos, ayun, kaya kami na late kasi nagchismisan lang talaga kami. Feeling ko from 11 or 10, yata nagkita kami. Tapos, ayun, dire-diretso na kami na nagchismisan and everything. Nagkita kami ng mga senior high school friends ko rin. Si Esmeralda, yung ate na Esmeralda, si ate Sai, then si Charlie. Holy Week ito. Tapos, Sabi ko kay Charlie, punta siya sa Metro Manila. Tapos ayan, nagkita kami at tas, hindi namin pinag-usapan na magba-block kami pero naka-block kaming lahat. Nakakatawa. So these are my friends, Edre and Jazz. Nakakatuwa kasi during this time, parang kami mga rant buddies. Tapos every after lang ng klase ko or after ng day ko, pupunta ako sa office nila. Ito yung one time na naghanap kami ng cafe. Tapos ito kasi bagong bukas siya na cafe sa Agapita. Tapos ayun, meron silang photo studio sa loob na kapag umorder ka ng at least 300 I guess, during that time pa, may palibreng photo shoot. Si Adri tsaka si Jazz, sila yung isa rin sa mga lagi kong kasama sa KTV. Ayan, KTV and Inom. So this was the day na 2 days after ang birthday ni Ange. So si Ange is a friend of mine from high school na naging close friend ko recently no nasa university na, and these are her friends. So andito rin si Chara. I knew Chara from high school then. We went to the same high school. Si Ange ako, tsaka si Chara. And then, here are the friends of Ange. Ang nakakatawa kay Ange kasi pinag-merge niya yung mga friend group niya. And it happened na ang isa sa mga close friends din ni Ange ay si Jace. So sabi ko, LB is a really small world kasi Jace was my student sa Agri 32 nung first semester ko na magturo. Ayun. Tapos, I think senior naman na siya ngayon. Then, this is Aliyah, yung kasama ko sa podcast na ito. So, nag-meet lang kami ng mga to. Then si Meg. Ayan, nag-meet lang kami no April 17. Tapos, ayan, lagi ko nakasama yun sila Aliyah na mag-KTV, mag-cuisines, kumanta doon, etc. So this is another photo na gustong gusto ko from this year. This was my talk about food security. I was invited by varsitarian organizations during this time. So UP Cagayanos, ganyan. I really enjoyed my talk neto kasi ang audience ay high school students. So I was able to introduce what role agriculture plays in terms of food security. Kaya yon. And I really love the audience nung time na to kasi napaka-interactive nila to the point na ang daming questions from these students. I really see na curious talaga sila, ganyan. And even after that, may mga lumapit din sa akin na parang, sir, ano po yung ano? Parang i-interview pa nila ako personally. That was a memorable talk. I feel like siya yung friend ko na pinakamahaba na more than a decade now. So we became best friends ever since grade 7. And every time na uwi ako ng Pangasinan, I see to it na kapag nandun siya, magkikita kami or what, ganyan. Just to catch up. And kasi bihira lang din naman kasi ako umuwi ng Pangasinan. I feel like mga twice a year lang, gano'n. Especially for the past years. Pero this year, parang nakarami ako ng uwi dahil sa stress ko sa thesis. Anyways, ayun. Nag-catch up lang kami neto. Tapos ano ba bang ginawa? Nag-samgyup, nag-KTV. As in, lumabas lang yata kami talaga. Yeah. Ano ba ginawa namin neto? Nakalimutan ko na. As in, catch up lang yata talaga sa punta kaming Ordaneta. This one is a good picture din. Nakakatuwa kasi our friend ni Edre, which is Lalaine, binigyan niya kami ng stickers tapos inilagay lang namin kung saan-saan. This is one of the sessions na kasama ko sila Aliyah. Then this is Mark, friend din ni Ange. Ito si Ange. Ayan. Tapos, nag-thesis na kami, kaya sobrang laki ng bag ko dyan. While nagki-KTV. Tapos nag-photo lang kami after. I think, ano oras na to? 1 a.m. So kami yung pinakahuli doon sa cuisines nung time na to. Grabe, hanggang 1 a.m. kami doon. Anyway. Okay, so I mentioned in one of my latest vlogs na ang daming issues bago ako gumraduate. And I really love this picture kasi this is our director trying to, open the office for me to take coffee, etc. And I really appreciate kasi napaka-motherly vibes din ni Ma'am Weng. And ayun, ito yung one of those times na in-offer niya na mag-coffee ka muna dyan, ganyan. And na-witness din talaga niya lahat ng nangyari. And I really applaud her. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, may one time na sabi ko na, Ma'am, you are doing a great job as a director. Kasi she listens to both sides, not only sa akin, ganyan. And she analyzes. I feel like she analyzes. And she makes sure na accommodated kami. I feel like ganun yung nangyari. This is one of my favorite days kasi this was the time when I defended my thesis. And during this time, I dressed up na all black, and the only thing that is shining sa akin ay yung Mockingjay pin. Ayun. Alam niyo na yan kung bakit. Pero yeah, I really love this fit. I felt powerful. After this day, nagro-rush din ako pauwi ng Pangasinan kasi I will be the guest speaker of the graduation ng school ko ng elementary. So this is the picture of that. I really love this, and I was supported by my siblings. So kasama ko si Aliyah at saka si Jasper for the days na nag-speaker ako. Ayan. That is a really memorable experience. So this is another good photo. Kasi kapag nasa Pangasinan ako, if merong time to meet with my friends, gagawin ko talaga. And ito yung isa sa mga time na yon. So I met with my senior high school friends. Ayan, si James, si Esme, si Hanilyn, si Louie, si Charlie, si Roland, and si Ian. So these are my senior high school friends. And nakikita nyo naman sa picture na busy-busy pa rin ako. Oo nga, ba't ang busy ko pa rin? Bakit pa rin ako may dalang laptop? Hindi ko na maalala kung ba't ako may dalang laptop nung time na to. Thesis to! Feel ko nag-thesis ako nung time na to. Oo, feel ko nag-thesis ako neto. Ayan, so ito yung shot na wala akong laptop. Kasama pala si Emily doon. Late lang siya dumating. The following day, sinamahan namin yung kapatid ni Emily na mag-enroll for college. So, nakakatawa kasi yung thesis ko, nakaabot siya kung saan-saang lugar habang nire-revise ko. And this is us sa SM Baguio. This is Genesis, ang friend namin na medtech na ngayon. Then, this is Emily, yung kapatid ni Emily, si Erin. Then, si Charlie. Yan. I was again invited in a speaking engagement. So, na-invite ako to share my experience din sa startup ko, which is Startup Philippines. Kasi it really started as a startup from the DA, and now it has transformed into a movement and an organization. These are some of my students from different semesters and from different sections. Tapos magkaka-org kasi sila. This is another photo na gustong-gusto ko, and this is the moment then na tinake ko yung profile picture ko dito sa YouTube. Then, ito yung time na nag-distribute ako ng manuscript na hardbound na. Ayan. So, kailan to? June 26. So, ayan. Picture muna din sa library, ganyan, etc. May mga friends ako na talagang binibisita rin ako sa LB whenever. Tapos ito yung isa sa mga instances na yon, si Esmeralda, binisita niya ako out of nowhere, July 7. I think this is a Saturday or what. Tapos, ayun, punta na siya ng LB, tapos nag-catch up lang kami. More on conversations na kami. Nagta-thrive. Unlike dati na parang, oh, tara, gala, road trip, etc. Blah, blah, blah. Baka tumatanda na rin kasi talaga kami. Tito-tita na kami. This next photo was a picture na ginawa namin ni Edre. Kasi nakakatawa, this was the first time na magkasama kami ni Edre na wala kaming dalang laptop at hindi kami nag-work. Kasi every time na magkasama kami, either that's KTV, cafe, etc., nag-work kasi talaga kami lagi. Like, may dala kaming laptop. Pero during this time, nanood lang kami ng movie. At ang pangit ng movie. Ang pangit ng movie. Like, walang sense yung movie. Pero ayun, ito na lang yung yung parang take away ko from this day kasi hindi ko alam. Dala ko yung sablay ko kasi umaasa ako na baka mayroon dong studio. Kasi puno na yung studio for grad pick sa LB. So sabi ko, sa Manila ako magpapa-grad pick. Umaasa ako na mayroong photo studio dun sa Glorieta. Pero hindi sila nag-aano ng mga sablay pick, etc. Like, wala silang mga attires, ganyan. Kaya doon na lang kami nag-ano sa time zone. Time zone nga ba to? Basta yung sa may arcade, doon na lang kami, sabi, ayan, mag-ano ka na lang dyan. Mag-picture ka na lang dyan. Tapos ito yung kinalabasan ng photo na yun. This is with Miss Erica Sinaking. She's working as an intern sa Rappler. Then, she featured our project, which is yung sa Microgreens project. Parang months after, doon na i-publish, pero sa ibang newspaper, which is Manila Standard. Like, sobrang recent lang. Ito naman, kasama ko yung sister ko, si Aliyah. Tapos, sinamahan niya ako na mag-shoot for a, para siyang vlog, parang video kasi to introduce yourself. Isa sa mga in-applyan ko dati, pero hindi ako nakuha doon. Ayan. So, ito yung time na siya yung, ano ko, yung videographer ko. One of the things na natutuwa rin ako in life is that close rin kasi ako sa mga friends ng kapatid ko. Kasi nung high school nga, nagkaabutan kasi kami. Grade 7 si Aliyah. Then, grade 10 ako. So, tapos nag-11, 12 pa, 'di ba? So, naging close din talaga ako sa mga tropa niya nung high school. Ayan, sila Raisa, ayan, sila Wendell, ganyan, sila Jerwin. Tapos, ayun, nag-ano kami, Din Tai Fung. Habang kumakain kami, like first bite namin, biglang meron dumating, sabi niya, okay lang po ba yung food? Sabi, tapos tawa kami ng tawa na hindi. Eh, di ba ano yan? Yung Xiaolong Bao?
Ba't ka ba nakikibuto?
So this was the time na ini-interview ako for a radio program naman, which is yung sa FEBC DZAS Radio. I did not attend the institute testimonials nung graduation ko because I'm not comfortable to do so. Yun. Naintindihan naman ng mga professors ko rin. Instead, nag-photoshoot kami ng kapatid ko sa forestry. This next photo is one random dinner nung umuwi ako ng Pangasinan. And I was with Ange. Si Ange, ang sabi nga namin, kahit nasa Pangasinan tayo, tayo pa rin yung magkasama na mag-dinner. Wala ito. Like, sinundo ko lang siya sa bahay nila. Tapos, sige, kumain na kami after. Ayan. Ang mahal ng dinner na yan. Parang 800 yata or 900. Pero masarap naman to. Okay, ito na yung kasagsagan ng Beanie Hype era. So, ito yung nakolekta kami ng, like, punta kami sa Jollibee para lang sa photo cards ng Beanie. Okay, so this is another random photo kasi nag-rest ako sa Baguio for 5 days. Tapos ang random na may nagtawag sa akin. Tapos si Hanilyn. Hanilyn is my friend ever since junior high school. Ayan. So doon pa kami nagkita sa Baguio. Like, ang random talaga nito. Naglalakad ako, tapos naka-earphones ako. Buti medyo mahina yung earphones ko. Tapos, ayun, Arvin, 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 sabi niya gano'n. Then, ito rin yung mga kasama ko nung nag-rest ako sa Baguio. Si Genesis at si Emily. Napakalad ka rin din nilang dalawa actually. Pero si Genesis kasi may work siya, kaya medyo mahirap kalad ka rin. Pero si Emily, every time na I will go to Baguio, pwedeng kalad ka rin yan. Pero yeah. So ito, yung pumunta pa kami ni Emily sa Itogon, Benguet. Nag-grab kami papunta. Tapos, pauwi, hindi na namin alam kasi wala nang taxing dumadaan. Tapos ang nakakatawa, merong galing din doon sa cafe. Tapos may car sila. Sabi nila, gusto niyo po bang sumabay? So, kami naman, sige po, nakakahiya naman. Tapos, good vibes din talaga sila. Tapos, ang awkward lang noon nag-part ways na kami. Kasi sa SM sila nag-park. So kami, edi baba na rin kami doon. Tapos hindi namin alam kung hanapin ba namin sila para magpaalam or what. Ayun. Pero ang awkward talaga noon. Nag-thank you lang talaga kami. Tapos, sige po, bye po. Tapos na. Nung nasa Baguio ako to rest, Saturday noon ay upkat ng bunso naming kapatid, si Apey. Ayun. Tapos pinaakyat ko yung nanay ko at saka si Aliyah para salubungin namin. Salubungin namin ang hirap ng upkat. Anyways, ayan. So, nag-dinner lang kami, ganyan. Nung nasa Manila ako, nag-meet din kami ni Mayan tsaka ni Zur. So, they are my friends before pandemic. So, mga 2019. Nag-upcut si Zur noon. Kaya kami nag-meet. Then, friends na kami ni Mayan from the church. Tapos ito, parang nag-dinner lang kami sa labas. Ikot sa BGC. Sa BGC nga ba to? Ikot sa BGC. Tapos, ayun, binigyan nila ako ng cake. Kasi kakagraduate ko, di ba? Nag-meet kami ng high school friends ko, si April at saka si Miana. Kasi nag-print ako ng parang photo cards nung mga grad pic ko. Tapos ayun, binigay ko sa kanila. So this is our photo. Bumisita rin ako sa Nueva Ecija para sa binyag ng inaanak ko na si Luke. Then, randomly, sabi ko, sige, punta tayo ng CLSU. Nag-road trip kami ni Miana all around CLSU. Nagplano nga kami dito na magko-cover kami ng sayaw, hindi natuloy. Oh, another favorite photo of mine this year. This is Edray. Nung alis na siya ng Los Baños. Tapos, ayan. We threw a small party for her. Ayan. So, kaya, andyan siya sa trono. So, kasama naman dito si Lalaine. Hanggang alas 3 yata kami, kumain at uminom. Tapos, nag-argue na kami dun about religion, about... Anyways. This is Miana's birth month. Tapos sabi ko, ililibre kita ng musical. So, nanood kami ng Tabing Ilog. Ayan. So, ito yung photo rin namin with the cast. Andyan sila. Okay, so this is another favorite photo of mine. This is Ma'am Daisy and Ma'am Majoy na moderators ng conference ko sa Davao. And they are very welcoming nung punta ako sa Davao. Imagine, parang sinasabihan nila ako na, dito ka mamasyal, etc. etc. Kaya nakakatuwa nung na-meet ko sila. Tapos lagi ako yung inaano ng mga questions kasi yung sa session namin, open ang lahat na magtanong. Ako yung lagi, meron ka bang tanong? Tapos ako, sige po, ano na lang, ganyan. Ayun, wala, nakakatuwa that I met people like them nung punta akong Davao. So this was our photo. No, nag-fifth wheel ako sa Baguio naman. Like a week after Davao, inaya kami na Pat randomly na, uy, tara mag-ano tayo, Baguio tayo. This is another recent favorite photo of mine. This is Daxin and Anna. Some of my former students. Pero I knew them both from Agri 31. So naging student ko sila last year, 2023. Then kinuha ulit nila ako sa Agri 32. This is our photo nung we are planning for activities for Sprout of Philippines for next year. And I really love to have such talented individuals volunteer for Sprout of Philippines. And I really appreciate their vision. I really appreciate their enthusiasm. So this is another photo na I really love this year. Before Christmas, pumunta ako ng Lipa. Out of nowhere. Like, ang sabi kasi namin, rain check muna tayo kasi wala na kaming pera. Anong tawag dito? Pero, ewan ko, pumunta pa rin ako kasi nag-provide si Lord. Dito kami nag-record ng podcast na Edray na ilalabas ko next week. I feel like mga January 17 or 24 ilalabas yon. Pero yeah, I really enjoyed this trip sa Lipa. Tapos, like after neto, last trip na. So, doon ako nagstay kala Edray. This last photo is from our get-together ng mga classmates ko ng senior high school. So this is Ma'am Chua. Then here are some of my senior high school friends na I think nabanggit ko na rin naman kanina. And yeah, I really appreciate this one. I think the last time na nangyari ito ay senior high school pa kami or nung college, mga second year college or first year college na nag-year-end party kami with my friends ng senior high school. And ayun, nakakatuwa lang din to still have that moment with us being professionals na. Okay, so that's a really long. I didn't expect that it will be this long. Pero yeah, thank you very much for listening if you reached this end. I just want to say thank you sa lahat ng mga naging parte nito. Even wala ka sa mga pictures na yon. If you're a part of my 2024, know that I really appreciate you. And I'm excited with how 2025 will unfold. Again, this is Josh of All Trades. Bye.